Pakistan's IT exports hit a record high of $310 million in April 2024, a significant jump of 62% compared to the same month last year. The government, particularly the Prime Minister and the IT Ministry, is credited for actively supporting this growth. Pakistan's IT Minister Ms. Shahzad Fatima visited Huawei to celebrate World Telecom Day, which highlights the importance of communication technologies. The minister acknowledged the role of Huawei in promoting digital innovation and pledged government support for building a skilled workforce and advancing digitalization in Pakistan. Huawei highlighted its contributions, including launching a smart village project and the first national financial cloud platform. They reaffirmed their commitment to supporting Pakistan's digital growth through various technologies and solutions. Maven Up is offering a summer internship program called Maven Upsurge for undergraduate students. This program will give you practical experience in the tech industry, help you develop your skills with mentorship from experts, and allow you to network with important people in the field. Systems MEA won the Best Emerging Partner award at the Cloudera Partner Day in UAE. This award recognizes their impressive data and analytics solutions. The win highlights Systems Limited's commitment to innovation and helping clients use data effectively through advanced cloud platforms. DevSync hosted a successful Build with AI workshop in collaboration with Google Developer Group. This event brought together developers of all experience levels to explore generative AI and its potential to revolutionize app creation. The focus was on using AI to push the boundaries of innovation in app development. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit PakistanTechNews.com for the latest tech news.